Alright monkeys, in this tutorial we will add color to the hair. Okay, so now let's add some hair for, sorry, I meant to say let's add some color for the hair. And in order to do that, we're going to create a shader graph. So go to create shader graph URP Lit Shader Graph. Now name a hair shader. Open the shader editor. It should look something like this. And let's create a hair vertex node. And let's start connecting everything where it's supposed to go. The normal with this normal. Then add a color to the color, base color. And that should be good enough. Don't forget to save the shader. Now we could go back to the scene. And now let's create a material. So create material, hair color, I'll name it hair color. And go to your hair and add this material to your hair. You'll find that in settings rendering. And you should see the hair color change, but I forgot to change the shader to hair shader. So let's do that. So go to shader and you'll see shader graphs and look for hair shader, the one that we just created. And then the hair should change color. And there you go. So that's really easy. You could change it any color you want. Blue, purple, red, yellow. And that's how you add color to the hair. Alright monkeys, thanks for watching and I hope this was very helpful for your project. In the next part of this tutorial, I will show you how to add a mesh to SDF setup to prevent the hair from penetrating the character geometry. Alright, have a good one.